and welcome. We meet again up close and personal. Ever since I posted this video over a year ago, everybody and their mamas and grandmas been using this eyelash extension trick, and for good reason too, because it's so easy to do, great for beginners. Anyone can do this, and on top of that, they're so affordable. No one really wants to spend an arm and a leg to get lash extensions done anymore, especially in this economy. So I think it's safe to say that it has changed the game for eyelash extensions, and I've noticed so many companies trying to come out with their own version of eyelash extension kits, or just like clusters, bonds, things like that. And you know me, I'm a curious cat. I have tried so many. Every time I see a new company coming out with their own kit, I'm trying it. But unfortunately, through my trial and error, I found that nothing really works as great as what I normally use until now. I think I found it, guys, and I'm not going to be gatekeeping any longer. I want to introduce you guys to the Namiki lash. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Namiki comes with clusters, a bond, a seal, a tweezer, and this one is actually a really great tweezer. It's so much more precise than the other one that I normally use, along with two clean mascara ones. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my lash extensions under 10 minutes. This bond is so strong, so much stronger than my normal Lashify bond. That's hard for me to say, honestly, because I've never found anything stronger than that one. That's why my lashes stay on for as long as I want them to. So enough rambling, come closer and let's get started. I always feel naked or bald when I don't have any lashes on. These lashes are so light and soft. They give off more of a wispy effect, which I kind of love. There are sizes 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. I'm going to be using 16, 14, and 12. Those are the sizes I normally use for my eyes because I have little eyes and I want my lashes to look very voluminous. As per usual, this is going to go by really quickly. So first we're going to start off with the bond. It's a nice mascara wand, really easy to work with. I like to wipe off any excess. We don't want to use too much. We don't want things to be clumping up. We're going to start off at the outer corners and make sure every natural lash is coated with this bond. Just like that. Now I'm going to pick up a size 16 cluster. Again, try to get it as close to the lash line as possible. Another 16. Lift the lid, apply. See how quickly it just sits in there? And pinch. Now we have a size 14. Lift, apply, and pinch. Another size 14. Lift, apply. There you go. And pinch. And then lastly, I have a size 12 for the inner corner. Lift, apply. Oh my goodness, it's given drama. So long, so full, I'm digging them. But although they look so thick, they're actually very light on my eyes. Like, I don't feel like I have anything on. Now we're gonna go in with the seal. I really like that the seal brush has a little foam at the tip because it makes it so easy to get at the top and make sure that all the lash clusters are sealed in. And lastly, use the clean mascara wand to just fluff them up a bit, you know? Do you see the difference? Now I'm going to repeat the same thing on this side and I'll catch you back with the final results. This may very well be the most dramatic lash look I have ever done. It's a lot, but you know what? I chose it to be this way. You can choose whether you want them to look more natural, dramatic, wispy, whatever your choice may be. And I've never done something so bold, but I'm kind of loving it. The lash clusters are so beautiful, light, and durable. That makes it so easy to clean them well and reuse over and over and over. Thanksgiving is just around the corner, so I know these are gonna stay on for as long as I want. In fact, like, they don't even come off if you want them to. Like, you have to remove them properly. That's how good this bond is. So if you're gonna do this look, definitely refer to the video on how to remove them as well. I will link that below. Of course, I will link everything I use in this video in my description box below. The results just speak for themselves. Now let's do a quick look down check. You can't see a lash band, you can't see anything but my natural lashes. Seamless. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for taking some time out of your day to spend it here with me, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye. Happy Thanksgiving.